Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2005 New Holland BR780 in good condition. This round baler produces 5 x 6 foot bales and uses a 1000 PTO, and features auto twine wrap control and electric double wrap, along with an electronic bale counter and spring bale tensioner. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780. Interested in this baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.